Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Dukes at Tulsa Bone Joint. I'm one of the shoulder surgeons here. Myself or one of my partners may have discussed with you shoulder replacement surgery. It's one of the most gratifying surgeries we get to do for someone who has an arthritic shoulder. As with any surgery, there's risks and benefits that you have to consider. Fortunately, the risks are rare, but they can be significant. One of the risks that we consider is infection. We want to do everything we can to minimize that risk preoperatively. We want to make sure that we have no preoperative known infections. If there is a concern, please discuss this with your doctor. The other risk considered neurologic injury, a very infrequent and unusual injury, but can be serious. We also are worried about fractures after surgery or dislocations. You may need another surgery, and there may be loss of range of motion. Lastly, there's always risk with anesthesia, so it's very important to discuss this with your primary care doctor and discuss this with your surgeon if there's any concerns.